At one of our recent Speak with People leadership communication workshops, a leader came up to me and started to talk to me about the workshop. He led with words that really shocked me, but were honest and raw, and I appreciated it. He said these words to me. I really haven't been paying attention much at all, but he starts to tell me a story. He's been a financial advisor for many, many years. He earns a great deal. He does very well in his business. And he started telling me that for the last 25 years or so in his marriage, his wife has told him that he doesn't listen. And he's just kind of always blew it off. But in our workshop, we talk about how listening skills are a gateway to trust with our clients. And something we talked about resonated with him because we tied what you earn as a financial professional to your communication skills. And we specifically started talking about our active listening skills, and it hit him for the first time. And he thought to himself, what if my clients don't think I listen to them? And so for the first time ever in this workshop, he was now very engaged. He was taking notes, he's raising his hand, he had different ideas and suggestions. This is what can happen when your team, your company schedules and books a Speak with People leadership communication workshop. We're gonna create an environment that's safe for people to have healthy dialogue. We're gonna create an environment where we get different role plays. We're gonna create an environment that's fun. Your team is gonna laugh, but more importantly, they're gonna be challenged to absolutely transform their communication skills. Because when they transform their communication skills, their influence expands, their trust with clients deepen, and yes, their referrals and revenues soar. Now is the time to head to speakwithpeople.com/training. Check out all the information and then press the button to schedule a call, and let's get on the phone and figure out how we can best help your team become exceptional communicators and transform their communication skills. Because when they do, they'll expand their influence and they will drive business success.